how the spirit descends into matter and goes back into the spiritual world. This is the life cycle. Let us have this alert. And this is very, very important for us on this platform. Regarding this presentation, we need to be very clear on this issue. Thus, we call it red alert. Rebirth, going and coming of the spirit in and out of the dense body, is not everlasting. It is not a forever and ever thing. As we ever said, there will come a time when nobody can go and come no more. It won't happen. The door will be shut, and the end of our current stage in the spiral movement of evolution will be transited. The goats will surely be separated from the sheep. The earth will be transformed into its etheric body, and those who cannot function in the vital body will perish. Only those who can function consciously in their vital body will can levitate, and meet the Lord Christ on his final return and be with him. May we all strive to love and offer selfless service, by which only can we build the spiritual body. It is only love and selfless service that can build the vital body. And it is that vital body which humanity will use consciously when our Lord Christ comes back. And about the transformation of the body, we read from 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 35 to 58.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.